this one running? So I can run?
Yeah, but you can't stop it with the red button.
Why? Why can't I?
The red button on the blue one doesn't work on that remote.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, say what you want to say, Emily.
Hi!
So does it now, do they run into each other?
Doesn't care.
Look at all that track. Uh-oh, derail.
I'm like, stop! You stop.
Okay, you ready to say goodbye?
No. I'm not.
Time to finish up.
Why?
Gotta fix the derailment. So would you say this was a good Christmas?
Very good. Are you going?
Oh, I'm sorry. How come I'm not going? How do I get on the outer track? Do I have to stop? Oh, now I'm on the outer? This is pretty damn cool.
Oh!